हेलो फ्रेंड्स, मैं आलमगीर रहमान आपको स्वागत करता हूं मेरा यूट्यूब चैनल AR डिजिटल सेवा में। फ्रेंड्स, आज हम देखेंगे रैप एग्जाम के कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन। तो चलिए दोस्तों, वीडियो स्टार्ट करते हैं। वीडियो स्टार्ट करने से पहले आपसे एक छोटा रिक्वेस्ट, अगर आप मेरे चैनल में नए हैं तो मेरा चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और लाइक शेयर जरूर करें दोस्तों। तो चलिए दोस्तों, शुरू करते हैं। Question number 1. What is the maximum cover that can be provided in microinsurance? A. 5,000, B. 10,000, C. 50,000, D. 1 लाख। इसका जो राइट आंसर है वो है C. 50,000। Question number 2. How long is the free look-in period under a term insurance policy from the date of receipt of the policy document? इसका जो राइट आंसर है वो है C. 15 days। Question number 3. Once an absolute assignment is effected under the life insurance policy, who will be the title holders of the policy? A. Assignor in all cases. B. The assignee in all cases. C. Either the assignor or assignee, depending on the type of policy involved. D. The assignor and assignee jointly। इसका जो राइट आंसर है वो है बी, द assignee in all cases। Question number 4. The concept of indemnity is based on the key principle that policyholders should be provided from. A. Ensuring existing losses. B. Marketing false insurance claims. C. Paying excessively for insurance cover. D. Profiting from insurance। इसका जो राइट आंसर है वो है डी, profiting from insurance। Question number 5. Orun started a 20 years term insurance policy once established. When, if at all, is the issuer next entitled to ask him for proof of counting good health? A. At no point. B. After the end of the first 12 months. C. At the point when we changes occupation or retires. D. When a lapsed policy is revived। इसका जो राइट आंसर है वो है डी, when a lapsed policy is the revived। Question number 6. Rahul is employed by Sunny. In respect of his employment, Rahul automatically has insurable interest in Sunny's life up to what limit, if any? A. Rahul's monthly salary. B. Rahul's pension fund value. C. Sunny's annual profit. D. There is no limit। इसका जो राइट आंसर है वो है ए, राहुल मंथली सैलरी। क्वेश्चन नंबर 7. For a household insurance policy, insurable interest need only exist at outset and at when other point? A. The date the cancellation period expires. B. The date of claims occurs. C. The date the policy document is received. D. The termination date। इसका जो राइट आंसर है वो है बी, द डेट ए क्लेम occurs। Question number 8. In insurance terms, the risk of the suffering a disability is the best described as what type of risk? A. financial, B. fundamental, C. homogeneous, D. speculative। इसका जो राइट आंसर है वो है ए financial। क्वेश्चन नंबर 9, Akshat is the relatively equitous person in insurance terms. This normally increases that likelihood that he will A. Be considered an above average insurance risk. B. Considered a below average insurance risk. C. Required insurance cover. D. Required insurance cover। इसका जो राइट आंसर है वो है सी रिक्वायर इंश्योरेंस कवर। क्वेश्चन नंबर 10, द concept of insurance involves a transfer of A. liability, B. needs, C. ownership, D. risk। इसका जो राइट आंसर है वो है डी रिस्क। क्वेश्चन नंबर 11, द मेन रोल ऑफ एन underwriter in non-life insurance company is normally to A. assess the acceptability of particular risks, B. certify of a loss when the claims are submitted, C. design the structure of the products to be offered, D. negotiate with the industry regulator। इसका जो राइट आंसर है वो है ए assess the acceptability of the particular risks। Question number 12, Vinay does not want to take insurance on the himself. He feels that his family will survive with the funds available in the bank and monthly rentals received from the village. This come under risk dash A. Transfer, B. Control, C. Rating, D. Evidence। इसका जो राइट आंसर है वो है सी रिट्रेनिंग। क्वेश्चन नंबर 13, कौन सा द मोस्ट sought after the advantage of the insurance is A. Use sum received in case of death, B. Use sum assured by paying a small premium, C. Tax benefits on payment of premium and all the payouts, D. Can get the surrender value as per the terms and conditions। इसका जो राइट आंसर है वो है सी टैक्स बेनिफिट्स ऑन पेमेंट ऑफ प्रीमियम एंड ऑल द payouts। क्वेश्चन नंबर 14, what the facility do insurer use the cover risks beyond the exposure limits? Bench assurance, B. reinsurance, C. both A and B, D. neither or nor, B। इसका जो राइट आंसर है वो है सी बोथ ए एंड बी। क्वेश्चन नंबर 15, IRDA was the incorporated as a statutory body in A. December 1999, B. June 1994, C. April 2000, D. June 2001। इसका जो राइट आंसर है वो है डी ए December 1999। Question number 16. Currently, major percentage of insurance sales in India take place through A. Insurance brokers, B. Corporate agents, C. Bank issuers channel, D. Individual insurance agents। इसका जो राइट आंसर है वो है D. Individual insurance agents। Question number 17. In life insurance business, is a person is working in calculating premium rates of insurance product, then he is mostly likely a member of A. Institutes of Actuaries of India, B. Insurance Institute of India, C. Chartered Institute of Insurance, D. Insurance Institute of Risk Management। इसका जो राइट आंसर है वो है डी इंश्योरेंस इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ रिस्क मैनेजमेंट। क्वेश्चन नंबर 18, व्हाई इज इंश्योरेंस रिक्वायर्ड? A. To cover the risks of life. B. To plan of the future goals. C. For saving. D. All of the above. इसका जो राइट आंसर है वो है D. All of the above. Question number 19. The constituents who the participate in different penetration of the microinsurance and the awareness of the insurance in rural areas are A. The surveyors. B. Underwriters. C. Non-governmental organizations. D. The regulator IRDA. इसका जो राइट आंसर है वो है सी नॉन गवर्नमेंटल ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस। क्वेश्चन नंबर 20, who is of the following not type of insurance organization? A. Ombudsman. B. Life insurance. C. Non-life insurance. D. Re-insurance. इसका जो राइट आंसर है वो है ए ओम्बुड्समैन। तो दोस्तों आज के वीडियो में इतना ही। अगर आप चाहते हैं कि मैं और भी क्वेश्चन लेके आऊं तो मेरा कमेंट बॉक्स में कमेंट कीजिए। थैंक यू।